Look at these smiles. It's chicken.
Freezing.
It's freezing. It's chicken butcher day. This is my help that I've had since about 6 o'clock.
I actually think it's hot.
Well, he thinks it's hot.
Warm.
Oh, and here comes some more help. Who knows what they'll be up to today? Well, they'll be doing that. We got our first casualty in pink. Here comes Hannah already.
They catch some chickens.
And there's the personalities that are fixing to go into the refrigerator, the freezer. It went by quicker this time. It sure does seem like time flies when you're raising protein. It's a nice foggy, cool spring morning. And apparently they're grabbing the first ones. They are ready to go. We will check back in a little later. There goes Hannah. All right, see ya.